Hey Doris, the news wanted to report something.
Oh really? Let's see what's on the news for tonight.
Good evening, Plotagon City. Here is tonight's news for Thursday, January 23rd, 2025. Heavy snowstorm will be hitting Plotagon City and Goanimate City tomorrow. All Plotagon and Goanimate schools will be closed on Friday, January 24th, 2025 because of heavy snow and bad road conditions. Snowstorm will dump about 10 to 12 inches of snow. Temperatures will fall to about 15 to 10 degrees Friday night. So, winter storm warning in effect from 1 a.m. Friday until 10 p.m. Friday. So enjoy your snow day. All places will be closed tomorrow all day because of this storm.
Oh yeah kids, just so you know. School is cancelled tomorrow because of the snow. The last day of school will be on Tuesday, June 10th. So you don't have to wake up early tomorrow.
Yeah, I heard today there was going to be a storm tomorrow. Mrs. Kelson was going to do the note check tomorrow, but she did it today and I got the 100. Rosie got the 100. Classic Caillou failed again. Oh my God. So cold. It's like 10 degrees outside. There's lots of snow on the ground and I'm a caveman. Good morning guys, welcome to Saturday morning news. We apparently did have a major snowstorm which was about a foot of snow, icy roads. Current weather is 9 degrees. It's 9 degrees as well in Goanimate City. We had closed schools yesterday. No school in Plotagon or Goanimate had school yesterday. No delayed openings or virtual learning yesterday. Have a good Saturday.